What's the most popular social media in Bangladesh?
Well, to be honest with you, there have enough social sites in Bangladesh like as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp and so on. Among them, as far as I'm concerned, Facebook is the most popular not only for the one reason but also whole reason in Bangladesh. They are using the Facebook for various reasons. Firstly, they are updating their information, what they are doing and how they are achieving their goal. Secondly, they can communicate with their others people like as sibling, neighbor, classmate and so on. Even though they are sharing their traveling situation on Facebook. So I think Facebook is the most popular site in Bangladesh.